do one other thing. I need to tell the MobiDrive Technologies fieldbus card what its address is so we can communicate with it. So I need to go back up here to the Communications menu under Device Properties, and I need to pick fieldbus under the submenus, and I need to set an IP address because my fieldbus card in this particular MobiDrive technology is an Ethernet IP fieldbus card. So that means it needs an IP address. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to assign the SEW Eurodrive default IP address, which is 192.168.10.4. You, of course, can use whatever's appropriate in your situation. So how do we do that? All right, we do this. First of all, by default, the VFD is using DHCP mode, which causes it to go out to a server and get an address automatically. I'm going to shut this off and tell it to use saved IP parameters instead. I'm now going to type in my information, and I'm going to hit Tab to move from column to column. So I key in 192.168.10.4 for the IP address, and I need to give it an appropriate subnet mask. So I'll put in 255.255.255.0, and then I have to give it a standard gateway. So I'll use 192.168.10 and 1. Now when I get to my last digit, I'm not going to hit Tab. This is very important. I've got to hit Enter. If I don't hit Enter, then certain problems will occur and I might even get a fault. Now if you do that, don't panic. It's not the end of the world. Just double check that your numbers are right. Hit Enter on that last digit, and if you've generated a fault, power cycle your VFD to clear it. Okay, this is a fault that you can't clear in the usual way through the software. You have to just power cycle it. So if that happens, don't worry, it's not a big deal. But we did everything right, and so we don't have a fault. All right, so we're all set to go. We've now configured our fieldbus card.